Hi, my name is Terry Wilson from Wilson Architectural Building Designs, and today I'm going to talk about one of my most frequently asked questions: and do I need to employ a building control officer for my building project? Well, hopefully by the end of this video I'll be able to tell you whether you do or you don't. Well, building control is a regulation that's put in place from the government to ensure that your building project has been built as it should be. So minimum building regulations, minimum standards, minimum British building standards. So the chances of your building project needing building control are very, very high, especially if you're having an extension or loft conversion or even internal alterations, knocking down walls, anything to do with structure. Whether you're removing existing structures or adding new structures. So I would say 99% of all building projects you would need to employ a building control officer. Thanks very much for watching my videos. My name is Terry Wilson from Wilson Architectural Building Designs. If you found this video interesting, please like and subscribe below. Or if you need any help or support, please don't hesitate to get in contact with me. Good luck.